Lots of tips for coping with diabetes. Diabetes causes fear, not because of the tests or treatments, but because of the possible outcomes. Complications such as diabetic retinopathy, which can seriously hinder vision, generate the most fear. Do whatever you can to prevent your diabetes from progressing that far. Use the tips laid out here to cope with the illness, and manage it well. Don't worry about having a diabetes bag that you carry around with you, just keep syringes in your purse, jacket pockets, car, and desk at work. Keep your meter and insulin with you in a small bag or your purse and you'll be ready for injections no matter where you end up. If you absolutely must indulge in something sweet, have a glass of decaffeinated coffee with it. This will help lower the spike in blood sugar you get after eating, potentially stopping the need for you to inject more insulin. It must be decaf, though, as caffeine can have other, unwanted side effects. Make a plan for everything you do to battle your diabetes. Plan out your exercise routine for the week, and vary it to keep it interesting. Make meal plans so you know what you'll be eating on any given day, what you need to pick up at the grocery store, and what should be defrosted the night before. This will keep you on track and organized. You may want to consider homeopathic medicine if you have diabetes. Some of these other natural treatments can help control symptoms just as much as medications do. For instance, uranium nitrate helps to reduce your blood sugar while also decreasing sugar in the urine. Bryonia helps get rid of weakness and dry mouth. Eat a well-balanced diet. Since there is no official diabetes diet, it's important that you handle your condition by eating a healthy diet that is high in fruits, vegetables and lean meats and low in fat, sugar and simple carbohydrates. If you eat everything in moderation and are controlling your diabetes through medication, you should have fairly stable blood glucose levels. Don't panic if you go through high glucose levels right after you apply treatment towards a low sugar reaction. In some cases, you might overcompensate for low blood sugar by eating too much, while in other cases your body might release hormones into your bloodstream when your sugar gets too low. These hormones can raise glucose naturally at the same time as you are raising it via eating. In the future, cut the amount you'd normally eat in half, and wait 30 minutes to check your levels. It is important for anyone with diabetes to check their blood sugar regularly. How often you check your blood sugar depends on your doctor's instructions, but it should be done. Checking your blood sugar allows you to see what foods raise your levels. This makes it easier to catch level spikes. As the introduction of this video mentioned, it's the potential to go blind and other debilitating side effects associated with diabetes that really scare people. You can work past the fear and use the information you've learned here to ensure that you're never a victim of these nasty complications. Discover how 93% reverse type 2 diabetes with this odd diet hack. Visit secretdiabeteshack.com. Learn how a dying grandpa was saved from diabetes by his grandson. Visit secretdiabeteshack.com. Breaking news. Uncover how a new root cause of diabetes that was discovered by scientists. Visit secretdiabeteshack.com to learn all of this, and more. Link in the description.